I'm going to show you a simple way to rename all your video files based on the date that they were created using Python on your Mac. Here's what's required for this to work. First, you need Python. I'll show you how to check if you have it, and if you don't have it, I'll show you how to get it. It's free and quick. Next, you'll need access to Terminal. You'll also need access to the text edit application. Both Terminal and text edit come pre-installed on Macs. Finally, you want to make sure that all the files you want to rename are in a single folder. This script is designed to work if all the files are in one folder. The instructions in this video will work for Macs, but for the most part, Windows users can use the same script. In the website that's linked in the description of this video, you'll get access to both versions of the script for Windows and Mac. Most Macs will come with Python pre-installed, but let's make sure you have it. On your Mac, open Terminal. In Terminal, type the following: Python 3, then a space, then -- version. Then hit enter. If you have Python pre-installed, you'll see a version number appear on screen. If you see a version number on screen, you're good. If you get an error though, go to python.org and download the latest version and install it. Follow the instructions on the website. After reinstalling, reopen Terminal and type in the command again: Python 3, then a space, then -- version. Then hit enter. You should get confirmation that you have Python installed. Now, really quickly, just in case you're curious, let's take a minute to go over this Python script and explain exactly what it does. This code is actually pretty simple. Here's what it does. It's designed to go through a folder, find video files, or any files you want really, and add the date and the time to their names. Now don't forget, you can always customize the date and time format of the naming by changing the time.strftime line in the script. The %y means year, %m means month, d means day, h for hours, and so on. You can rearrange these, remove them, and put them in any order you like to help decide what the final file name will be. For example, if you put them in this order, that would make the date formatted as day, month, year. If you have any other video file extensions or image file name types, you can always add them to the script. Right here in this section, just add a comma and then the extension in quotes. Running the script is actually pretty straightforward. On your Mac, open the text edit app, or you can use any other plain text editor app. Go ahead, copy and paste your code into the app and save it as rename.py. Make sure you use the .py extension. It's important. Also, go ahead and change the format to plain text. When you're saving the .py file, make careful note of which directory you saved it in, whether it be downloads or documents. You'll need that information in the next step. When you're ready to run the script, it's simple. First, open Terminal. Next, navigate to the directory where you saved the file with the .py script using the cd command. For example, if you have the file saved in your documents, just type cd, then a space, then documents. CD means change directory, and you're essentially moving to the directory where the file is stored so you can run the script. Once you're in that directory, you can run the script. To run the script, just type Python 3, then a space, followed by the file name. For example, if you call the file name rename.py, just type Python 3, then a space, then rename.py. Now, once you hit enter, the script will actually prompt you to drag and drop the file path where your image and video files are into the terminal window. Click the folder where your image and video files are and manually drag it over into the terminal window. If you did it properly, you'll see the full file path of your images and video files in the terminal window. Make sure there are no spaces left at the end of the file path in the terminal window. If there are any spaces left at the end, the script won't run. Once you have the file path dragged over into your terminal window and formatted properly with no space at the end, hit enter. The script will automatically run and rename all your image and video files at the folder location according to the date that they were created. All the files that were successfully renamed will show a confirmation message in the terminal window. There's also two variations of the script. One simply adds the date to the beginning of the file name while keeping the file name. The other removes the name altogether and renames it with just the date. You'll get access to both at the website that's linked in the description of this video. And that's it. That's the power of Python. You can easily rename your files in bulk according to the date that they were created. Check the description, you'll find the code snippets as well as some detailed written instructions on my website. I hope this helps you streamline your workflow and make your video editing easier. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe if you want more videos about video editing, technology, AI. Thanks for watching and see you again soon.